Hi friends, it's Dr. C, your favorite hormonal SLP. Today I'm going to be showing you a zine. Of course, mine is going to be for gender affirming voice resources. If you don't know what a zine is, this is a self-published magazine that tends to show up a lot of times in history when there is political unrest or if there's something going on that is not allowing certain members of the community to speak their voice. They tend to act as tools of resistance for community solidarity and provide uncensored information to the public. They often serve to organize protest or provide vital information to the community and overall foster resistance. So now is the perfect time for us to start making and distributing zines. Your zine can be anything from where to access free community resources within your individual community, town, district, where to find food banks, where to get clothing swaps. All of this could be vital information to the community. I've already created my zine, and so I will have a link in the description below where you can download and create your own zine. And today I'm going to be showing you how to fold the zine so that once you print it out, you can fold it and distribute it how you see fit. So here is a step-by-step process on how to fold your zine. Hi friends, this is an 8-panel zine. I numbered the panels so you can follow along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just keep in mind that this is going to be your first panel, and then this will be your last panel. And then on the back, I have all of the gender affirming voice providers in the state of Colorado and a QR code to access the Vocal Congruence Project to locate providers near you. I'll talk through my zine after we're done folding. The first thing you're going to want to do is fold your zine in half lengthwise. Then you're going to unfold it and fold again in the middle. Then you're going to fold one more time. So that we can see panel 3 and 4. Next, you unfold it. And then you're going to cut in the middle between 5 and 2. Then you'll unfold everything one more time. Again, fold lengthwise. And then you're going to create a diamond and push everything together. And here I have my zine. So my zine is on gender affirming voice. Panel 2, I have some of my favorite websites. Panel 3, I have some of my favorite community activities. Panel 4, some of my favorite YouTube channels for gender affirming voice. Panel 5, some of my favorite Reddit threads. Panel 6, these are Discord channels that are recommended by Sumi and Voice. A QR code for free gender affirming voice resources. And then my channel. This is my zine, and if you unfold the whole thing, you can see that map of gender affirming voice providers. I hope that folding tutorial was helpful and that you're inspired to create your own zines to help support your local communities. If you want to share this zine, then there is a link in the description where you can download it and fold it. Feel free to distribute it throughout your communities. If you have ideas for other zines or other content that you want to see, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!